Okie dokie, AliExpress, I spent about £156 in the past 5 or 6 weeks, and it's brilliant. Every single thing has been really, really cheap, and the only thing I've had an issue with was the compression fire stick, and the compression fire stick's fine as far as I'm aware. It's just that because I got smashed wrists from bike crashes, I haven't got the strength to use it. Everything else has worked perfectly. And the main expensive things I've not received yet, like the hammock, which is 30 quid, inflatable mattress, I think that's 20 to 30 quid. I've got a little baby drone on the way. Anyway, today unboxing, review, testing is this. They do love, I'm actually keeping all the bubble wrap and the packaging stuff. Oh, little things. These things are brilliant. Waterproof, airtight container. If you want to stick in some herbs, if you want to stick in some tinder, it's a waterproof, indestructible. And if you buy chewing gum, it's free. So all these little bags, they're all really, really good. So reusing. I mean, I've got one there. It's a knee patch from a pair of bike jeans. Like a rather geeky bum bag. Okay, this one. It cost me, I don't remember, but I'll stick it on screen. A lot of packaging. See, this bag I'm going to keep, because this type of plastic is anti-static, so if you've got a bit of tech, it keeps it protected. Or if there's an EMP, it keeps it protected. Bubble wrap, lovely bubble wrap. This is the last of my initial bulk order. And this is an arc lighter. It's a bendy one. I got it because it's a bendy one. So I got my one with a torch and all the rest of it, which is brilliant, but I got these because they're rechargeable. I'm not quite sure where the rechargeable socket is on this at the moment. I shall have a look with magic. And with the magical ability of the pause button, it's on the side here. Where did I see it? Somewhere along here. Oh, funny hell. There we go. Your USB-C socket. I'm now getting quite a collection of these USB-C cables. So yeah, you got your charger. They always come a little bit pre-charged. Lithium batteries have to have a little bit of charge in them or you can get suspect. So therefore you have to have them a little bit charged. Nice thing about this, it's got a little safety feature. All these lighters, I've now got two, have safety features built in. So you can't just push a button. Although that last one, I did the whole thing one-handed, including taking off the safety catch, flicking it up and operating it. This one, you can't just push the button to get it working. You've got to slide this up first. Get your nice little power band to say how much power you've got. Then you just push the button. And it looks so small, but it is bloody effective. Yes, safe to say, that's quite effective. It's nice, that little safety feature. You don't have it in your bag, and then it turn itself on when it gets pushed against it. So yeah, and the bendy aspect of it is really nice as well. Because for us, okay, it smells quite nice, bonfire. If you do try to light a fire, you don't want to have to go in the same angle. So it's nice. You can, cook around corners. So yeah, that is my latest delivery. And it's a lighter. And as I've got one USB hand crank for a power supply, I've also ordered some more stuff I wasn't going to get, but I thought, sod it, I've got nothing else to do with my money. So I've now got on order some solar panels. Just the little ones that I can hang up, and they got a power pack built in. I think I went for the 20. I'm not spending more than a certain amount on each thing. I think the most I'm spending is £28, and that is on the hammock. That comes with a rain sheet. That's the most I'm spending. So I'm doing it budget. I'm doing it with the mentality of either a backpacker or a biker. Basically somebody who does not have a car. So yeah, that is my latest little toy.